Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So guys, so far any doubts?
No.
No, we are good.
Okay. So we covered your Active Directory, we covered your Azure AD overview, we covered users, group, service principal, identities. Okay. We covered on conditional access. I'll come to the multi-factor authentication, and single sign-on is what I'll cover in a while. Okay. Let's go back to the role-based access controls, what it is. What do you mean by role-based access control?
On the
Each
basis
role
of
access will be different.
Okay. Every role will have a different access.
Different access.
Okay.
So based on the role, we provide that particular access to that user.
Okay. Now, if I'm not wrong, who was the Shubham is there in this call?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Shubham,
Mhm.
you are part of the service desk, right?
Right, I have been a part of service desk.
Okay. Shubham, if consider what sort of you might be having access to Active Directory or Azure Enter ID, right? What are
Well, right,
you able to perform?
we had global reader and global administrator role as well for some kind of task. And there were authentication administrator role, global reader. So these different PIMs we had.
Okay. So in your role, what you will be able to do? You'll be able to either go ahead and reset the password or to manage the user, right?
Right. Mhm.
But if you want to go ahead and do any administration on the exchange, or you have to do any administration on SharePoint, or you want to do any administration on Teams, will you be able to perform the task?
No, we
No.
needed exchange administrator for that.
Right. So here, role-based access are nothing but you have a specific set of roles. Let me bring you what those roles are. Probably will help you. So if you see here, you will have a different roles. Global administrator, global reader, exchange administrator, help desk administrator, service support administrator, SharePoint administrator, Teams administrator, user experience success manager. Okay. These are the default roles, what you have. Apart from that, if you see, there are different roles here based on you can create the roles for the collaboration. What all the roles are required for the collaboration? Exchange administrator or identity governance, or if you are using you're using managing Dynamics 365. So that way you have a separate roles. Okay, you'll be able to perform only your role in case of this. If you want to manage devices, what you need to be part of? So for device, as well as I stopped saying, right, the devices will be managed as a separate. So for that, you can do through the Intune administrator. You can manage your printers through the Intune also. Okay.